therefore ye eat or drink, or whatsoever ye do, do all to the glory of God. So kung ano ang ginabuhat mo sa imong pagkaon, sa imong pag-inom, sa imong pagbuhat, do all to the glory of God. Ita sa Ginoo sa ato nga pagkaon. Kaunon ba nato ang mga pagkaon nga angon? Di pwede, di ba? Ang mga pagkaon nga gitunglo niya, hindi siya pwede nga pagkakaunon na we glorify God. No. So we have to glorify God in eating. Ang mga pagkaon igsoon nga ginahatag niya sa ato nga kaayuhan, sa ato nga lawas, amo na siya gyud ang makapahimaya sa iya. Okay? Ang original diet, iyang gihatag sa ato, di ba? What was the original diet? Fruits and vegetables. You know, during the time when Adam and Eve were created, sa diha nga gilalang sa Ginoo ang mga patriarch sa unang panahon. How many years? Pila ka tuig sila nangamatay? Nagamatay sila so 900 years. Grabe ang ilang nga lifespan. Subong, ano ang lifespan subong? Siguro may mga 40, 50, patay na, di ba? 60, okay? 60, patay na. Pero sa una, 900. Imagine, 900. Nga naman, ang ilang nga pagkaon ni Soon, amo tong pagkaon nga gihatag sa Ginoo sa ila. Fruits, grains. Amo na eh. Subong nga, damo sakit sa kalibutan eh. Because of food. Sa Amerika, okay? In the United States, people die because of plenty of food. Tungod sa kadamo nga pagkaon, mga tao ito nga matay. May ginatawag to nga heart attack burger. Okay? Siguro, why na diri sa Pilipinas, pero may sa Las Vegas, doon ay ginatawag to heart attack burger. So, when you go there, kung magkato-kato, tagaan kanila og gown. Okay? May gown nga ihatag sa ibo. Kung unsay mahitabo, diretso na siya. Amo na igsoon. Yeah, that's true. Ang ilang nga burger ito is giant size. Big size. Kung may mo na mahurot na siya igsoon. Amo na igsoon, gingalan na siya heart attack burger. So, ato na tinuod na siya sa Las Vegas. So, igsoon, kung dili, pasalamat na sa Ginoo nga gitagaan ta og health message. Kay daghan na kanato siguro nagapahulay kung way ta magsunod sa health message nga gihatag sa ato, no? So we are so thankful with the Lord. So kinahanglan, we only drink 1 glass a day or 2 glasses a day. Are we glorifying God? Hindi pwede so we need to glorify God in our eating and drinking, no? And then if we are drinking something that is not good to the body, ano nang mga drinks nga makita mo dira sa kalibutan? Daghan kayo, di ba? I attended a seminar, yung paghimo sa 7-Up, kanang pagbuhat sa 7-Up. 1 glass of water, okay? Gibutangan siya of maybe 8 tablespoons of sugar, okay? Sa 1 glass. I can't remember now how many tablespoon of sugar. Just the water, and then sugar, tablespoon of sugar, and then carbon. It was carbonated. And then after that, it's just like 7-Up. They put some flavor though. May flavor siya ginabutang. Amo na nga pag-taste nimo is like 7-Up because of the carbon being mixed in that water and sugar. That's all. So when you drink the 7-Up, it's only sugar. Now, can you take 8 tablespoons of sugar yourself? Can you put 8 in your mouth? Now, how many sugar cane is that? Hindi ba may sugar cane, yung isang sugar cane? Yung 1 sugar tablespoon of sugar. I don't know how many tablespoons, but anyway, can you finish that 1 piece of sugar cane? No. Hindi, right? Because it's too hard. So, the same thing with drinks. Amo na nga, we need to be careful sa mga drinks nga ato nga ginainom because we will not be glorifying God. Whatsoever you do all to the glory of God. Ang imo nga ginabuhat, igsoon, making sure it is glorifying to God. Okay? Who are the cases included in this investigation? Sino man ang ma-include sini? Ang kining investigative judgment. Sabi dito sa Great Controversy, most of the quotations I have are based in the Great Controversy judgment. The only cases considered are those of the professed people of God. Sino ni? Ha? Kita? Hindi lang kita, igsoon. Tanan nga mga tao nga nagdawat kang Kristo, they are all included in this investigation. Those who profess to be Christians, they're going to be included in this investigation. Okay? Duwala na investigation eh. Okay? The wicked are separate. Sabi dito, no? The judgment of the wicked is a distinct and separate work and takes place at the latter period. This is during 1,000 years when the saints are going to, in heaven, when they will be helping Christ, investigating the wicked and also Satan. Ang mga si Satanas o ang iyang mga manulunda, kita ang maghukom. Kita ang mag-decide kung pila ang punishment nga ilang makuha. No? Sabi dito, judgment must begin at the house of God, and if it first began at us, what shall be the end? Be of them that obey not the gospel. So ang mga tao nga way nagsunod sa Ginoo, ano ang mahitabo sa ila? No? What's gonna happen to them? No? Importante na igsoon, no? Nga mga tao nga wa magsunod sa Ginoo, what's gonna happen to them? So, sabi dito, what is to determine the decision of the judgment? Ano ang pag-decide sa Ginoo sa judgment, investigative judgment? Dito, the books of record in heaven in which the names and the deeds of men are registered are to determine the decisions of the judgment. So, ang mga libro igsoon, each one of us has an angel. Meron tayong guardian angel. And then this guardian angel is recording everything. By the time that you were born, sa imong pagkatao, hantod subong, ang imong nga manununda, amo na siya nag-record sa imo. He is there. You are not able to see him, but he is there. So, ang atong gikat pa ta sa gamay pa, hantod nga nagdako ta, the angel is the same angel. Amo na siya nag-record siya. And then, ito nga mga books igsoon, okay? The books of record are the ones to determine the decision of the judgment. Says the prophet Daniel, the judgment was it, and the books were open. The Revelator, describing the same scene, adds, another book was opened, which is the book of life, and the dead were judged out of those things which were written in the books according to their works. Actually, kining libro sa kinabuhi, amo ni siyang importante gid. May ara nga libro nga Book of Remembrance. May ara pod nga libro nga Book of Iniquities, Book of Death. Ang mga sala nga ato nga nagahimo dira gina-record. Ang mga maayo nga may binuhatan gina-record na siya sa Book of Remembrance. So, damo gid ang libro sa langit, pero there are 3 major books nga ako nga i-share sa inyo. Ang primero is the Book of Life. You know, when you accept Christ, your name is recorded in the Book of Life. Okay? Sabi dito, the Book of Life contains the names of all who have ever entered the service of God. Jesus bade his disciples, rejoice because your names are written in heaven. Paul speaks of his faithful fellow workers whose names are in the Book of Life. Okay? Daniel, looking down to a time of trouble such as never was, declares that God's people shall be delivered, everyone that shall be found written in the book. And the Revelator says that those only shall enter the city of God whose names are written in the Lamb's Book of Life. So ang mga ngalan lang nga arada sa Book of Life, amo lang gina siya ang sa panahon sa time of trouble, they will be protected, they will be delivered. O niya, amo na sila ang makasulod sa ginarian sa walay katapusan, sa mga langit. Okay? Only those people whose names are recorded in the Book of Life. Now, ari pa di sa Acts of Apostles, 5:88, and to all the faithful ones who were striving against evil, John heard the promises made, to him that overcometh will I give to eat of the tree of life, which is in the midst of the paradise of God. He that overcometh, the same shall be clothed in white raiment, and I will not blot out his name out of the book of life, but I will confess his name before my Father and before his angels. To him that overcometh will I grant to sit with me in my throne, even as I also overcame, and I'm sit down with my Father in his throne. So ang mga tao nga, those people who overcome sin, kanang bang na, ano ba, overcome, kanang na, nadaog na to ang sala sa atong kinabuhi. Ang ato daw ngalan, magpabilin sa libro sa kamatayon. Okay? Magpabilin, ang mga sulti na diri. So, maina nga, magpabilin ang ato ngalan. Kaya kung ang ato ngalan isun, mawala sa basahon sa kinabuhi, say, may tabo. Walay kalawasan, di ba? So, let's go to the book of remembrance. Book of remembrance. Okay? Ining book of remembrance, sabi diri, a book of remembrance is written before God in which are recorded the good deeds. Ang kanang mga maayo nga imo nga binuhatan. You know, when you're giving money, when you're helping the poor, naghatag ka pagkaon sa imong nga silingan, all are recorded in the book of remembrance. Okay? Malachi, their words of faith, their acts of love are registered in heaven. Nehemiah refers to this when he says, remember me, O my God, and wipe not out my good deeds that I have done for the house of my God. Nehemiah 13:14. In the book of God's remembrance, every deed of righteousness is immortalized. There, every temptation resisted, every evil overcome, every word of tender pity expressed. Kana bang tender pity? Kana bang somebody give you something? Oh, thank you. Diba? Thank you. How are you? You know, mayo imong adlaw, diba? Have a nice day. Tender pity, you know. Expressed, all are recorded in the book of remembrance. Is faithfully chronicled, and every act of sacrifice, every suffering and sorrow endured for Christ's sake is recorded in this book of remembrance. Ari di ginasulat sa Ginoo. Tanan nimo nga maayo nga ginabuhat are all recorded in the book of remembrance. Thou tellest my wanderings, put thou my tears into thy bottle. Are they not in thy book? Psalms 56 verse 8. And then it says here in early writings, a book of remembrance is written of those who do not forsake the assembling of themselves together, but speak often one to another. Ang kanang nga mga tao nga nagakadto sa simbahan every Sabbath, naga-fellowship, and then speak often one to another. Amo na naga-encourage ba sa ila? Di ba? They are actually fellowshipping, tapos hambal sila ng mga langit nun nga mga pulong, encouraging one another, are all recorded in the book of remembrance. Di may na siya kung way ka to ga hambal sa mga tao, sa maayo, ang imo ginahambal, kalibutanon, ang imo ginahambal, ang pila na ang joke, okay? Pila na gid ang imo nga nakita sa pungaw. Damo na kwarta, di ba? Kung nagahambal ka igsoon sa mga maayo like heaven, nga kinahanglan maning kamot are all recorded in the book of remembrance. Ang imo nga pagkahadlok, then they hear the Lord speak often one to another, and the Lord hearkened and heard it, and a book of remembrance was written before him for them that fear the Lord and that thought upon his name. So we are done with the book of remembrance, and then